Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. Today is Sunday. I am going to speak about the leukemia or blood cancer, erythroid. Sun is the greatest physician of the world. Sun controls our health. Blood, blood is ruled by Mars and Moon. Mars is the Karaga of red corpuscles and plasma. Moon is the liquid form of blood. Sun, we have to pray Sun. Sun, the God, gives energy to us, protect our health, and gives longevity to us. In the horoscope, the sun is powerful, the Lagna is powerful, moon is powerful. The Lagna Lord is in Kendra or Trigona, the person will get longevity. Human beings have 120 years. The longevity of human beings will be 120 years. But anyway, the Purvajanmargam Karma Phalam Idi Jadaga Rupena Jayade. We are not reaching that age. Balajishtada Alpayur Madhyayur Dirghayur Paramayur. During the Balajishta period, the children will die. And so we have to consider the leukemia. What is leukemia or blood cancer or Rektharbudam? Now the newborn child also have the leukemia. No age bar. Purvajanmarjidam karmaphalam idi jadagarupena jayade. What we done in the previous janma, that will return back. The continuation of Purvajanma, we are enjoying this janma, the fruits of the previous karma phala. Leukemia is a malignant growth of white corpuscles in blood, which is commonly known as cancer of blood. Mars and Moon are Karaga for this disease. All the watery signs, Karkadaga, Vrichiga, Meen, Rashis and 4th, 8th and 12th houses rules this blood. When Mars, Moon and above houses together with the lords of 4th, 8th and 12th houses are afflicted, they give rise to diseases connecting blood. Rahu is Karaga for all malignant growth. When Rahu being malefic afflicted the above houses and planets or is in any way related with them by conjunction, aspects, etc., and also makes some relation with diseases inflicting houses or planet, it gives rise to disease like leukemia or blood cancer. Mars is the principal planet ruling blood. When Mars is weak, malefic, debilitated, combusted and afflicted by malefics and by Rahu, and is in some way connected with the disease producing house or planet, he may also produce leukemia. Lagna is Tula, Mars in Karkadaga, Saturn in Leo, Sun, Mercury and Ketu in Kanya, 12th Rashi. Moon and Venus in Tula, Jupiter in Dhanus, Rahu in Meena. This is a case of lymphatic leukemia. The reason for the same are Karkadaga, Vrichika and Meena Rashis are afflicted by Rahu from 6th house. 4th, 8th and 12th houses from the Lagna are afflicted by malefic signs. Lords thereof are also affected. Mars Karaka for blood is debilitated and is weak. Further, he is aspected by malefic Rahu from 6th house. Moon, another Karaka, is weak and afflicted. Sun Lagna Karaka is afflicted by Rahu from 6th house. Lagna and Lord of the Lagna are also afflicted by malefics. 4th, 8th and 12th houses from Moon and Lords of thereof are afflicted. 8th and 12th houses from Sun and Lord thereof are also afflicted. Thus we find all the houses and planets ruling blood are afflicted in the horoscope. Rahu is powerfully afflicting water signs. Sun, Mars, etc. from the 6th house, which suggests suffering from leukemia. The person died from the disease. Nowadays in all hospitals the leukemia is affected. So due to lack of that disease, is very crucial to kill the person. Thank you very much. I'll come tomorrow with the same subject. Kindly please subscribe my channel and visit it. Every day I will speak about the medical sciences and astrology.